9:45 this Saturday morning, and Carl Nelson, the chief scientist from the Imagination Station, is here. I cannot stress this one enough. Do not try this at home.
Flammable vapors and an ignition source, when they come together,
Oh, man.
Scary, right?
I'm the only wizard to scare himself with flames coming out of his hand.
Not something to try. Here, go ahead and dry your hands off.
Thank you.
So we're going to talk about flammable vapors today because down at the Science Center we have an event called Catastrophe Prevention Day. We got the fire department, we got the police, we got ambulances, all sorts of cool stuff. And I thought we'd talk about a catastrophe you can prevent at home.
Okay.
Easily. And it's still summertime, people are mowing the lawns, they're refinishing things with paint thinner, mineral spirits, things like that. And all those liquids are very, very volatile. I'm going to give you this teeny tiny little beaker.
You're not going to set me on fire again?
No, don't spill it though.
Okay.
Because that is very volatile. It's generating lots of really flammable vapors.
Don't inhale.
No, don't do that. What we're going to have you do is spill it, okay? But don't do it yet. You're going to spill it down this ramp.
Okay.
And this is going to represent kind of like the floor in your garage or basement. And down over here, I've got a little candle that I'm going to light. This is going to be like the pilot light in your water heater.
Sure, just
a
a
spark,
little tea
something
candle.
like that.
Yeah.
Tiny little tea candle. We'll just put it right there. It's not even touching the ramp. We're going to do it. There's so little liquid in there, the liquid's only going to make it about halfway. The vapors are going to tumble down to that flame. They're going to hit the flame. They're going to flash back, and Tony, who is cleaning up the big liquid spill of gasoline or paint thinner.
So unhappy doing it too.
I know. We're going to see what happens to Tony if he does this.
That's me.
That's you. Now what I want you to do is very carefully step to the end there and pour the liquid at the very top of the ramp.
Right up here?
Yep, just go ahead and pour it all in.
Okay.
Don't spill it. But yeah, all right, now come over here with me quickly.
Okay.
Get away from the balloon. Okay, so the vapors are going to travel down. They're going to flash back up. And that's what would happen if you were over there trying to clean up that spill of liquid gasoline or anything like that.
That happened so fast, even the guys in the control room couldn't keep up with it. So that's how quickly an emergency can take place.
And those vapors are heavier than air. So unlike the methane that we did in the beginning, which is lighter than air, firefighters have to worry about that hovering overhead. Organic vapors like gasoline and paint thinner can be heavier in air. They'll travel on the floor. They can even go down the steps to your basement.
Wow.
Flash back up the steps.
How about that? It's an effective demonstration, and we heard Kelly yipe over there, but you caught her a little off guard. And you know, it's cool and everything, but it's also, you're making a point here, it's very dangerous.
It is. When you're working with that kind of stuff, you got to be careful. Again, making the big spill, most people are worried about mopping it up. They'll get a towel and they'll start wiping it up. All you're doing is spreading the liquid out further, getting greater surface area, making more vapor,
oh, wow,
which can do exactly what we just saw.
Sure. Well, you can learn more about this today at the Imagination Station.
Absolutely.
Right?
Come down. We've got Jay down there today talking about extreme weather. We've got the fire department out there. You can actually shoot water into the river. Police, you can put on their gear. Coast Guard's there with their dog. Cool. Lots of cool stuff.
Are you going to be doing this demonstration, or will someone?
We do this kind of demonstration every day as part of our combustion show.
Oh, okay.
So we talk about fire safety, how to use fire extinguishers, and the dangers of flammable vapors.
Excellent. Thanks very much.
Sure.
Carl Nelson from the Imagination Station. Go down there, check it out all day today. It is Disaster Preparedness, Emergency Preparedness Day.
Catastrophe Prevention Day.
Let's just not even prepare. Let's just prevent. All right. Thanks very much, Carl. We appreciate it. And we're going to turn it over now to Dave Holmes with sports.